Welcome to Advanced Text Processing. In this lesson, you'll learn powerful text manipulation commands that go beyond basic text processing. We'll cover sed, the stream editor for performing find and replace operations, awk, a powerful pattern scanning and data extraction tool, and tray, the translate command for character manipulation. These commands are essential for advanced text processing, log analysis, and data transformation. Let's dive in and master these powerful text processing tools. The sed command, short for stream editor, is a powerful tool for performing text transformations on files or piped input. The most common use of sed is substitution, using the syntax sed space single quote, s/old/new/g single quote. The S stands for substitute, old is the pattern to find, new is the replacement text, and G means global, replacing all occurrences on each line. Without G, sed only replaces the first occurrence on each line. You can use sed with files by specifying the file name, or pipe input into sed. For example, echo hello world pipe sed space single quote, s/world/universe/g, single quote replaces world with universe. Sed also supports regular expressions, allowing you to match patterns. Use sed-i to edit files in place, which modifies the file directly. Use sed-n with p to print only matching lines. Sed can also delete lines with the d command, like sed space single quote /pattern/d, single quote, to delete lines matching a pattern. Understanding sed is essential for batch text replacement and automated text processing tasks. The awk command is a powerful pattern scanning and data processing language. Named after its creators Aho, Weinberger, and Kernighan, awk is excellent for working with structured text data, especially files with fields separated by whitespace or delimiters. The basic syntax is awk space single quote, open brace print $1 close brace single quote, which prints the first field of each line. By default, awk treats whitespace as the field separator, so each word becomes a field. You can access fields using $sign followed by the field number, like $1 for the first field, $2 for the second, and so on. $0 represents the entire line. You can specify a different field separator using -f, like awk-f, colon space single quote, print $1 close brace single quote, to use colon as the delimiter. Awk can also perform calculations and comparisons. For example, awk space single quote, $1 greater than 10, open brace print $0 close, brace single quote prints lines where the first field is greater than 10. Awk has built-in variables like nf for the number of fields, nr for the record number, and fs for the field separator. You can also use awk to format output, perform arithmetic operations, and create reports. Understanding awk is essential for processing structured data and extracting information from text files. The tar command, short for translate, is used to translate, squeeze, or delete characters. It reads from standard input and writes to standard output, making it perfect for use in pipelines. The basic syntax is tr space single quote set1 single quote space single quote set2 single quote, which translates characters from set1 to set2. For example, tr space single quote lowercase a-z single quote space single quote uppercase a-z single quote converts all lowercase letters to uppercase. You can also use tr to delete characters with the -d flag, like tr-d space single quote digit 0-9 single quote to delete all digits. The -s flag squeezes repeated characters, like 2-s space single quote single quote, to replace multiple spaces with a single space. Tr works character by character, so tr space single quote ABC single quote, space single quote, XYZ, single quote, translates A to X, B to Y, and C to Z. You can use character classes like alnum for alphanumeric characters, alpha for letters, digit for digits, lower for lowercase, upper for uppercase, and space for whitespace. TR is particularly useful for cleaning text data, converting case, and removing unwanted characters. Understanding TR is essential for character-level text manipulation and data cleaning tasks. Excellent work! You've learned advanced text processing commands, sed for stream editing and substitution, awk for pattern scanning and data extraction, and TRA for character translation. These commands are powerful tools for advanced text manipulation, log processing, and data transformation. Practice combining them with other commands in pipelines to create powerful text processing workflows. Keep experimenting with these commands to become proficient in advanced text processing.